Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the FOXWELL NT510 Elite, one of the most popular automotive diagnostic scanners for both DIYers and professionals. We'll go through its features, performance, and by the end, you'll know if this tool is worth adding to your garage. Let's get started. The FOXWELL NT510 Elite is a handheld diagnostic scanner designed for multi-system diagnosis. It works on most major car brands and gives you access to key functions like reading and clearing codes, live data, active tests, and even advanced service resets. Let's plug it in and see how it performs. It powers on automatically when connected to the OBD2 port. When I selected diagnostics, it scanned the vehicle and quickly displayed the fault codes. The live data stream is easy to read, and you can graph multiple parameters at once. So, after using the FOXWELL NT510 Elite for a week, here's what I liked and what could be improved. Wide vehicle coverage, advanced functions for the price, bi-directional tests, easy updates and free software, durable design. And here, how to perform battery registration. Also, the NT510 Elite supports all 10 OBD2 modes, offering a comprehensive set of features that allow users to efficiently diagnose, monitor, and maintain their vehicles. This powerful tool provides valuable insights into overall vehicle performance and health. The NT510 Elite delivers extensive diagnostic coverage across major vehicle systems such as the engine, ABS, SRS, TPMS, SAS, IMO, batteries, lube, DPF, AC, and gearbox. With its wide range of advanced features, this automotive scan tool ensures efficient maintenance and precise troubleshooting, helping users optimize vehicle performance and safety. This bi-directional scan tool can send commands to various systems and components to test their functionality, such as evap, fuel pump, cooling fan, and window or door locks. It also enables recalibration, adaptation, and configuration of specific components after repairs or replacements, ensuring proper system performance. With the oil reset function, you can reset the vehicle's oil change indicator to 0 after replacing the oil, helping ensure accurate tracking and timely future oil changes. You can switch languages freely: Korean, Spanish, Portuguese, French, Thai, Hungarian, Swedish, English, Dutch, Japanese, Italian, Russian, German, and more. One of the standout features of the NT510 Elite is its user-friendly data presentation, designed with a continuously optimized visual interface for clearer and more intuitive display. Overall, the FOXWELL NT510 Elite is a fantastic mid-range scanner for enthusiasts and small garages. If you mainly work with one car brand, it's perfect. If you work on multiple brands, you can easily expand with extra software. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've used the NT510 Elite or want to see it compared with another scanner. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.